In this guide, you'll learn everything you need to know about using iTunes to back up and restore your data. Part 1. How to back up iPhone with iTunes. Here's a simple guide to back up your iPhone to a Windows 10 or 11 computer using iTunes. Step 1. If you haven't already, download and install iTunes on your PC. It's best to get it directly from Apple's official website instead of the Microsoft Store version. Step 2. Use the USB cable that came with your iPhone to connect it to your computer. Step 3. When you plug in your iPhone, a message may appear on your phone asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust so your PC can access your iPhone's content. Step 4. Open iTunes on your computer. Once it recognizes your iPhone, you'll see a small phone icon near the top of the iTunes window. Click that icon to open the iPhone summary page. Step 5. In the summary page, look for the Backup section. Choose the option to back up to this computer. If you want to protect your backup with a password, check the box for Encrypt Local Backup. Then click the Backup Now button to start the process. The backup may take a few minutes or even longer, depending on how much data you have. You can still use your iPhone while the backup is happening. When the backup is finished, click the small eject button next to your iPhone's name in iTunes. After that, it's safe to unplug your phone. Part 2. How to restore iPhone from iTunes backup. Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the same Windows computer where you saved your backup before. Step 2. Open iTunes on your computer. Once it detects your iPhone, click the small phone icon at the top to open your device's summary page. Step 3. Look for the section called Backups and click the button that says Restore Backup. A window will appear where you can choose the backup you want to use. If the backup is encrypted, you'll need to type in your password. Step 4. While the restore process is happening, your iPhone will show a message saying Restore in Progress. Depending on the size of the backup and your computer's speed, the restore might take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours.